Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zohra Azeem Khan, a second-year LLB student. I have an opportunity to intern at Advocate General Office under the LSL Internship Programme. It was a valuable experience as it allows me to enhance my analytical and research skill. It provided me with exposure to the field of the civil law. I had a chance to work with experienced attorneys as they guided me throughout the legal internship, provided me with valuable feedback and helped me to grow professionally. I have a deep understanding of legal procedure, research methodologies, and case management. Additionally, this internship also helped me to improve my communication skills. I have had a chance to visit the High Court. It was an enriching experience as it allows me to apply my theoretical knowledge into the practical field. I owe all these experiences to Lahore School of Law, and I am very much obliged to this opportunity. I believe that all these skills and experiences that I have gained during this internship will play a pivotal role in my legal career. Thank you so much.